So now you're going to be trying some health supplements. So you better save some of that good stuff because you want to wash this down. This is so good for you, James.
Great.
This is Brand's Essence of Chicken.
Good thing I can't read Thai. It doesn't really have a smell. It's like saltless chicken broth.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
Wow, you're taking that a lot better than I took it.
That's fine.
Wow. Take a big swig of it.
I don't have to drink the whole thing, do I?
No.
Oh,
No.
thanks.
Wouldn't do that to you.
Essence of chicken. Fine taste.
Do you agree?
It wasn't bad. I mean,
It was fine.
I like it better than I like the wine stuff.
Yeah.
You sip
Wine
it.
rice,
You
yeah.
don't drink it.
Mm-mm.
I'm going to hate this one.
How do you feel about mushrooms?
I do not like mushrooms.
Well, this one's really good for you also.
Oh,
It's high in vitamin C and contains beta-glucan.
Oh, beta-glucan?
Mm.
Oh, okay. Good.
Do you feel healthy?
No. Oh, it's bad. Oh, it's so bad. Why would you drink this?
I don't know.
What is wrong with Thailand? Thailand's so good. Why is this a thing? It tastes like someone got a mushroom after it rained and just kind of went, and then you just drank the rain.
And the water's kind of like dirty and
yeah,
muddy.
it's kind of dirty and kind of gross.
There's like some soil in it.
Yeah.
Okay, hey, this one will actually... This is the one that was kind of expensive before.
Bird's nest soup.
Bird's nest soup.
Okay.
It's bird saliva.
Yeah. I love me some bird saliva. So you telling me that after I do this is like a French kissed a bird?
Yes, a swallow.
Oh, well, in that case. Smells like nothing.
Yeah.
It's sweet.
Yeah. It's a weird flavor.
That is weird. I like it, though.
Yeah.
Texture gets me. It is bad.
It's
but it tastes
gloopy,
good.
Isn't it?
It is very gloopy. But it was expensive, so I feel like
Yeah.
I don't really want to drink it all, though.
I mean, it wasn't that expensive. It was like
It's not bad.
it was like $2 compared to.
It's not bad.
Okay.
No, sir.
Don't.
Don't.
Just don't.
Just don't.